you want good luck for the next 5 years, then make sure you smash the like button right now.
Yes guys, what is going on? And today, as you can see, we've got a mini goal right in front of us today. So we're going to be doing a woodwork challenge. So it's not going to be any ordinary woodwork challenge. This time I'm going to be using the kicker ball. This kicker ball swerves like crazy, and I'm not going to be doing it by myself. I'm going to be having a friend that's literally going to be coming very soon to verse me at this challenge. So guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you go and subscribe to JW's channel, it'll be right in the description. Make sure you go and subscribe to JW7, it'll be right in the description below. And yeah guys, let's get straight into the video. Right, so me and JW7, we're going to be starting off by doing a rock, paper, scissors. So I think it's out of 3 in it. So the person who wins that gets to start. Alright, so JW7 is going to go for the right pose. So he's going to be going for the right pose. So, right. Alright, so guys, I'm going to be going for the left pose, guys. I'm going to be going for the left pose. So guys, so JW7 is going to be going for the crossbar, so you should be able to hit it first time. Alright, so guys, I'm going to be going for the left pose, guys. I'm going to be going for the left pose. Guys, I missed that one, so it's JW7's turn. Yeah, that's it. So guys, JW7 just hit the crossbar, so I'm going to be going for the crossbar as well. Hopefully I should be able to hit it first time. Guys, I completely missed that one. So guys, I'm going to be going for the right post, Alright, so guys, I'm going to be going for the crossbar. Alright, cool. So guys, I'm going to be going for the crossbar again, so hopefully I should be able to hit it first time. So JW7 is going to be going for the left post, guys, for the left post. Alright, so guys, I'm going to be going for the crossbar for this one, so hoping I should be able to hit it first time. Yeah guys, we're going to be here for time, but I think at the moment Jaden's already hitting the crossbar, so he's got the left and right post to hit. So guys, as you just saw on there, Jaden has hit the right post, so he only has the left post remaining. So guys, I tried passing it to the right post, but it didn't work at all. So right, so guys, for this one, I'm actually going to be going for the right post again, right post. Guys, I'm going to be playing that back. That was so close, man. The left post as well, guys. Yeah, go on. What? Alright, so guys, I'm going to be going for the right post, Guys, I don't know what's happening today. It's just not my day today, is it? So he's in the front one. If I put a bit of power to it, then it probably would have hit the crossbar. So guys, as you just saw on there, JW7 actually skimmed left post, so he's actually won the challenge for today. So guys, if you like the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, turn on your post notification, make sure you go and subscribe to his channel. It's going to be right in the description below. And guys, I'll catch you soon. LC 500 out.